ABC animals.
A is for alligator, A, alligator. B is for bumblebee, B, bumblebee. C is for caterpillar, C, caterpillar. D is for dinosaur, D, dinosaur. E is for elephant, E, elephant. F is for flamingo, F, flamingo. G is for giraffe, G, giraffe. H is for hippo, H, hippo. I is for iguana, I, iguana. J is for jellyfish, J, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, K, kangaroo. L is for lion, L, lion. Monkey. N is for narwhal, N, narwhal. O is for octopus, O, octopus. P is for penguin, P, penguin. Q is for quail, Q, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, S, snake. T is for turtle, T, turtle. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for vulture, V, vulture. W is for whale, W, blue whale. X is for x-ray fish, X, x-ray fish. Y is for yak, Y, yak. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra.
letters are there in the English alphabet? The English alphabet has 26 letters. What is the first letter of the English alphabet? The first letter of the English alphabet is O. Yay! Let's say it together. A. What is the last letter of the English alphabet? The last letter of the English alphabet is Z. Yay! Can you say it with me? Z. Which letter comes after A? What comes after A? It's B. But just like in ball and banana, say it with me. B. Which letter comes before E? Before E comes D, like in dog and dinosaur. Say it with me. D. Can you name a word that starts with M? Yes, of course, monkey. Which letter looks like a bird in flight? The letter that looks like a bird in flight is V. Spread your wings and say V. Which letter looks like a snake? The wiggly letter that looks like a snake is S. Slither and say S. Which letter looks like a circle? The letter that looks like a circle is O. Round and round. Say O. Great job, everyone! You did an amazing job answering all the questions. Keep learning and having fun! Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. See you next time.